Welcome. I'm Jan Sherbert-Tanzer and
Marta Valle, both broker associates with MVP Realty. We're presenting you today this gorgeous home with 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 baths, a 3-car garage with a 4-foot extension.
prepare to be amazed as you enter under the cascading bougainvillea, this lovely spacious ranch. No detail has been overlooked, from the wood plank tile flooring, upgraded lighting, and accent wall throughout. Through the French doors on the right, you enter a convenient office, which is also a flex room. You could use it as a media room or library.
The open floor plan provides the wall space needed to display your artwork to your guests, while at the same time inspiring wonderful dinner parties. Prepare your flaming meals in your kitchen with upgraded built-in appliances, range hood, backsplash, and extended island. Pull-out drawers, soft-close cabinet doors and drawers, and wood shelving in the pantry make your culinary art a breeze.
From the spacious great room, expand your living area as you open the pocket sliding glass doors to your extended lanai with screen enclosure. And wow your guests with sizzling steaks on your built-in vented grill in your outdoor kitchen. Outside the lanai, you will find extended pavers, cellar added as the perfect space to enjoy your garden, overlooking a beautiful lake.
Your guests will repose in the 2 separate guest bedrooms with accent walls, floating shelves, built-in bookcases, and with their own bathrooms, complemented by quartz countertops, undermount sinks, and tilting mirrors, as well as frameless showers. The master bedroom charms with its interior design, accent wall, and elegant lighting.
In the master bathroom, notice the extended comfortable shower tiled to the ceiling, dual mount sinks, tilting mirrors, and a large walk-in closet with crown molding and a modern custom closet design.
After a good night's sleep, improved by the noise reduction from your impact windows, start your day by choosing between a round of golf at the Gordon Lewis-designed 18-hole golf course of the Panther Run Golf Club, or relaxing with your golf buddies at the 19th hole at the Rusty Potter Bar and Grill.
Explore the scenic walking trails Del Webb has to offer. Join your neighbors in a game of bocce ball, pickleball, or tennis. Swim in the 3-lane lap pool, or just relax in the outdoor resort-style beach entry pool. Purchase of this spectacular estate home, including golf club membership and all the Del Webb amenities.
You get the steak and the sizzle too.
Call today 954-901-1321 or
239-232-5563.
welcome home.